the other room, and we don't do Valentine's Day. So I'm giving him something that we've been needing, or he's been needing, and I'm just saying it's for Valentine's Day. But we're not going to tell him we're videoing. So we're going to hide this over here. Let's see. Maybe up a little bit. Right there. We'll get something to set this on. Close enough. He won't notice. Okay.
Oh boy, we got mail.
Yep, we got our mail.
What is this? What is this?
Happy Valentine's Day.
Oh, you little you. No! What do you mean Happy Valentine's Day?
Well, you needed some... I know we... It's just... It's something you've needed, yeah.
No!
So I just
we don't do this.
So I just said it was for Valentine's
No!
Day.
I'm not taking anything from you because I didn't get you anything except me.
Well, that's good. It's just something that's been on the grocery list that I haven't been able to get and finally did.
So it's food.
No. You know how your other ones, the straps broke? I got you new ones. Careful, don't tear them.
Well, how do you get them?
You need scissors?
What in the world? Oh, it's... Well, these things are awful big. I know.
They're the same size as the other ones.
Clip that. This is like... Just clip that. Okay, I know Ashley used to make fun of me, but I've never seen earmuffs that big. Why would you do that? We're not supposed to get each other anything for Valentine's Day. That was the deal.
Okay, so this one's for me then. From
What
you.
is it?
So give that to me.
Oh, well, maybe we're going to change.
Are we going to share that one? I don't know how it's closed. It must be sealed somewhere.
Right there. Cut that. I can't believe you did this. It's not funny. Quit smiling.
It is too funny.
But it's still sealed. What is it? Oh.
What does the box say?
There's no telling when it comes from you.
Oh, well, that's true.
So it's real candy?
If it's still sealed up, I guess so.
See, I just don't trust you. I figure you've got a way to seal stuff.
I just might.
Oh.
Ooh.
Candy. Well, happy Valentine's Day.
Thank you, honey.
That's not very funny. We're not supposed to do this.
We'll share these. But those are for you for when you're setting up the rig.
What the hell is that?
Oh. That would be the camera.
Lori?
We're headed out today to go to Blythe. Ito has a problem.
Well, I wouldn't call it
It's the same problem that, well, okay, our batteries are old and they need to be replaced.
That's all it is. I mean, the batteries are on their 6th year.
Yeah.
And they've been used hard.
And since we've had the issue with the battery cable, it's really drawn them down a little bit more.
And the battery cable's all fixed now.
Yes.
It is.
Thanks to Dave. I don't know what we would do with Dave. Dave, we love you. We don't know what we would do with you. We're going to be following you everywhere you go. Just kidding. Just kidding. He's going to say, when am I rid of them?
What do you carry in your toolbox? I carry a Dave.
Yeah. So we're headed to Blythe. And while we're in Blythe, we're going to hit up a couple other stores besides the AutoZone.
Here we go.
Here we go. It's thinned out quite a bit. Still some random people here and there. The battery's gonna die, so I'm gonna let it die. It's warmer outside than it looks.
Yeah, I didn't need this sweatshirt on, that's for sure.
Thankfully you have a t-shirt on underneath it. You can layer down.
Yep.
Now there's the thing to have here in Quartzsite. Just a nice truck camper and a buggy, because you can ride the buggies on the roads here, the streets. %, battery, 2%. Bye-bye. So Blythe is a little over 20 miles away from Quartzsite into California, and it has some services that Quartzsite doesn't have. Quartzsite has one auto shop, auto supply store, CarQuest, and Blythe has 4 different ones. So we were looking for batteries, so we really wanted the best price, so we're headed to Blythe. And they also have an Albertsons and a Dollar Tree, so we're gonna go hit up a couple other stores. We need milk and bread, and we don't want to pay $8 for it again.
And who would have thought the sales tax is cheaper in the county Blythe is in than here in Quartzsite in Arizona?
Or Parker. Yeah, because we checked the Walmart in Parker, and they have an AutoZone also up in Parker, but the tax is cheaper in California. Go figure. This is Dome Rock right there. So you hear people say they're staying out on Dome Rock Road, and this is the area they're talking about. Where we are is off of Dome Rock Road East, which is weird that it's named that because it's nowhere near Dome Rock. Well, we're here at the AutoZone, and Tom went into the store. I'm staying out here with the truck running, just in case they don't have the batteries that we need, because if we turn it off, we may need a jump. So we just want to make sure. Like I said earlier, there are 3 other auto parts stores here in town. So if AutoZone doesn't have what we need, hopefully one of the other ones will. But this way, we're still running and don't have to get a jump from someone. We had to get a jump from Dave before we left. I mean, granted, we just ran it for 25 minutes or so. It's been running for maybe 30 minutes. It might have enough charge to start right back up again, but we don't know for sure. So, just figured it'd be safer for me to just stay in the truck. There's Albertsons right here. So we'll be coming back here afterward. Well, I guess we could go in here now after he's done fixing the batteries, before we go over to the Dollar Tree. So here's what's here. It's a Smart and Final over there, a Thrifty, looks like, I don't know, the little Thrifty thing looks like it belongs to the gas station, the Bolero. There used to be a Rite Aid right next to the Albertsons. They're gone. There looks like there's another business that's gone. There's a lot of businesses that have closed up in this town. Last year or the year before, we tried to get Pizza Hut here, and on Google it said that they were still in business, that they were opening. Nope, they were closed. They were out of business. We were bummed. We were really looking forward to some Pizza Hut pizza. So apparently they have the batteries, huh?
Yes, they do.
Yay. So I'm just going to sit tight out of the way and let him do what he needs to do. Well, that's good that they have them.
Yep.
So you're going to take
it'd be
these.
easier to take these out first, take them in, make sure I get the right height and size and everything, because I got half a dozen different sizes of the same batteries.
Ah,
So
there you go. Can't see much. I was trying to get some of Tom underneath the window, but with the GoPro I can't zoom in, so I'm gonna get out and do some. coming out to view you doing your stuff. Can't see you underneath there.
Oh.
If I had the other camera where I could zoom in.
Oh yeah, it would work.
Yeah. So he already took one out. There's the hole.
Show him Frankenstein.
There's Frankenstein.
It's alive though.
So you had already taken the cover off of this area.
Yeah.
You did that at home.
Okay.
Right, there they are. So now he's gonna go in and try and find the right size.
Well, I wonder if he's got a cart. Now I don't have my mask on.
Okay, let me get it for you. So how I said before that Rite Aid moved, so they didn't want to be next door to Albertsons anymore. So they actually moved right there. So that's where they are now. They just moved.
Easier than carrying them all the way in there.
There you go.
Not bad, 6-year-old batteries.
Yep. Careful you don't get them on your shirt.
Yeah, whatever.
Uh-huh. Oh, look at the blackbirds. You can hear them.
Blackbird singing in the dead of
I heard this sound. And there's pigeons up here. Hi, birdies. Some down over there too in that corner. Hi, birdie. They only have the spiky things there and in this corner. They probably get knocked down or blown down if they're not secured to the ledges, but you can see. I guess they can be a problem. Lots of mess. I like the blackbirds. When we camped over at Hidden Beaches near here, there were a lot of blackbirds. Had the red-winged blackbirds, and they're really pretty. Well, I hear the cart, so he must be coming back. Yep, there he is. Ooh, look at it, shiny and new.
Here, that's yours.
Uh-huh. Let me take that.
Pretty cool because first thing they did was, you know, they brought out tools and said, you need anything, take it.
Oh, nice.
And, I mean, offered me gloves and all kinds of stuff in there.
That's great.
Since I'm doing it right out here. And guess I need scissors.
Or not.
One goes in frontwards and one goes in backwards.
Uh-oh, you do remember?
Yeah.
Okay.
Got it, son?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, I think that's gonna fit.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. Put this in first.
So that's the cover that you took off at home.
Yep. Now I do need Keeps it from corroding.
Good.
Well, it's supposed to keep it from corroding.
For a while anyway, huh?
We'll see.
Goodness. Somebody's car alarm, obviously.
Welcome to California. Alright, now, before I do this,
Need a paper towel?
yeah, please, let's see, negative, positive. Wonder if I should hook that up and put the other battery in. See, this one's got to go backwards. Just opposite of the other one. Positive, negative.
Tom said to cross my fingers and make sure it's in hopes that it starts up. So let's see. What? They're wherever you put them. I didn't touch them.
Okay, they're not in here.
Yes, they are. Fingers crossed. Woohoo! Good job! Hey!
Hey, if you can get 6 years out of your diesel truck batteries when they're down below 0 temperatures for a couple years and up above 100 plus for a couple years, and you're pulling 17,000 pounds of your wife's crap, you're gonna wear those batteries down after 6 years.
Oh, somebody's gonna be worn down.
All right, we're done.
Yay, good job. Look at you.
You know, not a bad price. 169 bucks a battery. Paid 145 6 years ago, so that's
Right.
not bad. Basically, same battery.
Good. Very good. Yay. The batteries are fixed. Downtown Blythe.
It's a hopping little town.
Yep. A lot of old buildings.
There's Teddy's Donuts.
Donuts. Well, might have to grab one of those when we go into Albertsons. Been dying for a donut. A real donut.
You've been dying for a donut.
I have been. Hey, come on. Don't other people out there die for donuts? Craving a donut. There's where the Dollar Tree is in this shopping center right here. Up there. There's cinema. And there's Dollar Tree. Well, we have finished our chores in Blythe. Got the batteries, got the truck all fixed, went to Dollar Tree, got a few things that I needed, and we just got done at Albertsons and got milk and bread and donuts.
donuts.
I won't be dying anymore.
Oh my gosh.
Get my donut fix. Oh, now we just need lunch. Well, we did buy those chips at Dollar Tree.
How much did those cost?
Let me think. $1. $1. This is the road that takes us straight down to the dump station, isn't it?
I do
think.
believe it is.
Yep, I think so. 7th Street, yep. That's the one that has the $7 dump station, cash only, honor system, put the money in the envelope.
I'm glad it's not on 8th Street because it would have been an $8 dump.
Ah, look at that, you're funny. But it's a nice, clean area to go dump your poo-poos.
Oh my gosh, what are you doing now?
I'm gonna paint our deck.
Painting our deck.
Yep,
Oh, the extra step we need.
yep.
What color are you going to paint it?
Looks like black.
Oh, okay. Miss that spot right there. There's no spot over here.
Yeah, I'll be probably putting another coat on it.
I'm helpful.
Yes, you're just so helpful.
So where'd you get that plate that you're putting the paint in?
It's just a pie tin that I saved and I wrapped it in foil so I can use it again.
Aha.
Just wad up the foil. Throw it away.
You got that done yet?
First coat. First coat's done.
Not bad for a cheap piece of wood.
So I guess it's battery day. We got new batteries in the truck.
Batteries.
Batteries.
I need to take them apart and clean them the right way.
So we just checked the water level and added some more distilled water to the ones that looked a little low. And since we had them out, we had to put our slide in because these are conveniently located underneath the kitchen slide. So in order to be able to pull them all the way out, we have to put the slide in. So since we have that in, Tom figured, well, let's at least take the wire brush to them and clean them off a bit.
You know, you always use protection on your hand and protective eyeglasses. Eh.
Oh, jeez. Those be Mexican eyeglasses. They really protection. Good protection.
Yeah, I need some of that grease to put on these.
Oh yeah, like we just got at the auto store.
Yep.
That came with the batteries. Well, it didn't. They charge you what, like $3.50 for the little.
$3.99. I think that's what it was. Good enough for government work. Since we're on government land, we can call this government
What
work.
about this one right here? There you go. Probably should undo them and redo them.
Yeah, they really need to be cleaned. I mean, I clean them. We take them apart once a year. I took them apart last summer when we were at your sister's house.
And we try to check the water every month.
Clean them down every
At
month.
the first of the month. Today's the first, so.
Yeah.
We usually do it in and around our traveling when we have the slides in, but I'm not traveling for another week or so.
Yeah. Something like that anyway.
Or less. Whatever, I don't even know what today is. I know it's February 1st.
Got my famous lock.
Yep, our little pin to go in the,
My lock pin.
for the tray to not slide around.
And then we have a real one.
Yeah, we tried finding one of those and couldn't. Maybe we could find one at Harbor Freight or something. We just never looked there. We thought that it was an RV specific thing and no RV place had them.
Duh.
Now you can probably find those anywhere. We could probably find them over here in the tent.
Now who are the idiot newbies?
Yeah, that was us.
That'd be me.
You guys have this? Well, come. It comes on our RV. Your RV place. Silly. Okay, good job, babe. Let me know when I can bring the slide back in. Or out, I mean.
Take it in, take it out.
Take it out. Okay.
Yeah, as Less Junk, More Journey says, go ahead and pop it out.
Pop it out. Okay, we'll do.
Drink a cup of coffee too.